Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to find my iPhone from another iPhone. So first of all, we need to open our Safari, okay, and we need to switch to a private mode so we can search safer. So we're gonna just click this one, which is lost iPhone, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just search for an article just like this, the second one. Okay, and here you will read the article to walk you through the process on how you can find your iPhone. So we're gonna just click the iCloud.com/find. Okay, and it will direct you to find device. Okay, so we're gonna sign in with our account, okay, on the iPhone that we originally lost. So you're gonna see right here, do you want to sign in with your original account? If you are using the current iPhone, that the current account and all that, you're gonna just continue with your account to see your device. But if your phone that's been lost has been has another account, use a different Apple ID. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna just continue with the same account right here. I'm gonna wait for a few moments, and here, as you can see, this is your devices right here at the down left, and as you can see right here, iPhone, this one is now currently online, and you can see the specific location of that iPhone if you just clicked on the phone. Okay, but if you have several phones which are maybe offline or something, you need to turn find my iPhone on. You need to turn it on, otherwise you will good as lost. Okay, it will be good as lost. So you will need to turn it on in order to be able to find the specific location, and you can detect the specific address. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.